Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 118,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, desert brown metallic, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power, remote vehicle starter system, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 384 kilograms, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, power folding and driver's side auto-dimming with integrated turn signal indicators, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, included with NHT, Max Trailering Pack, PDU, Power Pack Plus or PCH, All-Star Edition. Rear axle, 3.42 ratio, air cleaner, high capacity, included with Z82, heavy-duty trailering equipment or View, snowplow prep package. Included with Z71, off-road suspension package. Cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, included with View, snowplow prep package, L76, Vortec 6.0 LSV engine or Z82, heavy-duty trailering equipment. Engine, Vortec 5.3 LSV with active fuel management. Transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED with overdrive and 2-with-hull mode, standard. Wheels, 420 inches x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, 5-spoke machined aluminum, limited personalization option, Silverado Chrome Edition, Texas Edition, 1LT Convenience Package, tires, T275/55 R20 Touring.